I know, I think I hit it. Just cracked the outer case. So the outer case is cracked.
That's alright.
GoPro's alright. The whole thing's let go.
That shoddy bracket.
Is that the one
Bust.
on your bar? I think it's the glue has got that hot it's come away.
Wow.
Yeah,
Piece of
it's got that hot. But
case done its job.
exactly, because it went and bounced off my front wheel.
Me.
Not good. See, that looks more secure.
That's a proper GoPro one. I'll tell you what, I knew that we're going to do that. I had a feeling it was going to go.
And that's the one you asked me to get for you on eBay, innit? On the yeah, that's shoddy that.
Yeah, it.
Shall we move up a bit? It's not the best place.
I've got nowhere to put it, so I'll have
Give it here. What attached it? Was it that?
tell you,
Yeah, it was glued by the look of it, or that screw went down through it and it's all given away.
Just bust off. Just sheared off. What a sack of Let's go.
You paid me for that, didn't you?
Yeah.